Okay, viewers, I am Mukhtar Ahmad Khan, your host. Welcome you to 16th channel, 16th session of Math channel, Banking, Learning and Earning. This is the foreign exchange and foreign trade, sharing knowledge to you people. First of all, is 25 keywords and phrase which are being used in the foreign exchange. Many, more than 1,000 and 100, 100,000, 500, 300 countless terminology which are being used in the foreign exchange transaction or foreign trade. Now we are discussing about export policy and export. Export policy, the country gives us the export policy to the exporter, what type of export he can sell the goods or export the goods to foreign, which is known as a export policy. Export policy always managed by the government, other its regulator through State Bank or Chamber of Commerce or Export Promotion Bureau. Number 2 keyword, exchange rate. Exchange rate which are being considered as which rate is applied selling and buying the foreign currency, import, export or remittance. The exchange rate is always managed by the Reserve Bank, Central Bank or State Bank of Pakistan so far. Nostro and Vostro account. Nostro account means our account with the foreign bank abroad, and Vostro account, the foreign bank account maintains with our branch or our bank Vostro account. These two banks is used for transaction, debit or credit, to make payment to the exporter or importer or remittance payment by debiting Nostro and Vostro account. They maintained by the banks. Clause bill of lading. If any clause or article mentioned in the bill of lading which is not a clean bill of lading is known as a claused bill of lading. Any superimposition of clause mentioned in the bill of lading known as a claused bill of lading. One thing I must clear here to the foreign exchange learner or anyone, BL is a bill of lading is a title to goods. Who holds the BL, he can take the possession or delivery of the goods from shipping company, and shipping company issued the BL, clean or closed bill of lading. Combined bill of lading. The multimodal transport or method is used for BL is known as a combined bill of lading. Air, train, shipping, truck, rail, combined. This is combined bill of lading. The one bill of lading can be used for all purpose. Bill of exchange. Bill of exchange is a draft signed by the maker directing certain person to pay on demand or determinable future date, or to the bearer or order of the bearer the payment is made. The bill of exchange is under 1881 Negotiable Act 1881 Section 5. Acceptance when the bill of exchange signed for any future date, 60 days, 30 days, 50 days, the acceptance is necessary by the importer on the bill of exchange, and if not paid on the due date after acceptance, this is the noting and protesting mechanism is used. Amendment any LCs or any order needed to be amended, known as the amendment. If amendment is required, the amendment short swift message sent to the seller or buyer. Beneficiary, beneficiary means who is the beneficiary of the LC. The exporter is the beneficiary of the LC, or any type of beneficiary is known as a beneficiary, is known as a foreign exchange. Confirming bank or confirm, when the date or anything confirm or add any confirmation for the bank on behalf of the bank is known as a confirming bank, or anything confirmed by the anyone or any organization known as a confirming. Tenor is the type of the period which are being made on the LC or bill of exchange or bill of lading or BL or LC. That period is known as a tenor. The period which is known is a banking terminology tenor. Spot rate, the fixed rate or spot rate is a current rate. Inchoate bill is that incomplete written bills are known as inchoate bill. Pledge. Number 18 or 17, pledge. When the action or act or process of the goods being offered to the bank or any godown, they known and kept in the custody of the any bank or a godown, known as a pledge. The pledge of goods. Pre-shipment, red clause LC are known where the pre-shipment finance is allowed to the exporter. Drawer, who draw the check or bill is known as a drawer. The drawee, whose favor the bill or LC or any document made is a drawee. Consigner, the goods who send. Consigner, the goods who receive is a consignee. Maturity, what is maturity? Maturity on the bill or any document, payment matured or make payment for the date is known as a maturity date. Reimbursement, act of repaying. When the reimbursement made by the bank is act of paying to the exporter or anything, any type of reimbursement known as a reimbursement. TR, trust receipt. The receipt is signed and the bank or the importer can avail the loan against TR. LTR, loan against trust receipt. Lien, when the documents or anything marked lien signed by the favor of the bank is known as a lien. APL, American President Liner, is the first class shipping company in the world. Buying rate and export. Buying rate is applied for export and forward rate is for export of the future date. And this is the phrase, or you can say the keywords being used in the foreign exchange. Okay, I will let you know in the next session, 17 or 18 sessions, or in many things I will have to explain you. This time, besides, I request you to please subscribe me and share me to other people so that for early maturity of the video or the channel. I need 1000 subscriber and 4000 hour to get premium for the YouTube. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.